Hello and welcome to Advanced Camping and RV's video tour of this 2019 redesigned Spree Escape 181RB. This is a really cool travel trailer, perfect for a couple who wants a really nice, 3,100 pound travel trailer that you can tow behind any smaller vehicle. It's nice and compact, yet with the slide out really is going to give you a lot of room. So this is your host, Josh Pankratz. I'm going to go through all the cool stuff on this one. The redesign, you have a lot of new graphics. You have the front window looks a little bit cooler there. And yeah, just the whole thing just looks a little bit nicer. So we have solar prep in the front here. And we do have a nice big pass-through storage there. Obviously that spare tire will get mounted on the back, so that won't be in the way. We have a nice big lighted power awning here. And we have some outside speakers. We have the nice aluminum wheels here too, so it definitely has a nice look to it. 4 stabilizer jacks, one on each corner. On the back here, it is prepped for a wireless backup camera. So we're all set up for that. It is cable prepped as well. If you're at a KOA campground or some private campgrounds will have that for a few bucks extra. And the really cool thing is this new solid step. It doesn't move the trailer when you walk in and out of it. It's a really kind of cool upgrade. You really almost have to feel it to kind of know the difference, but it does feel a lot sturdier. And walking in and out is definitely much easier. So we have our walk around queen bed in the front here, which is a big plus. That walk around queen bed is sort of the harder thing to do in these 19-foot trailers. If you were to get like a bunk model, for instance, it would be side facing. So it is definitely nice to have that forward facing and walk around queen bed. We also have outlets on both sides there. We have the front window option again, and there's really a lot of windows all throughout, so it really does look quite nice. And we do have a place here where we can put a television. There's going to be a mount back there, and we'll have a TV antenna on the roof with a signal booster. It's an omnidirectional television antenna. And we'll have a lot of counter space in the kitchen here too. A lot of shelving space down below here. And convection microwave. These have been long sought after in these lighter weight travel trailers. But now you can bake as well as microwave in here. And it's gonna, that way you don't have to have a separate oven, which takes up more room and is more cumbersome to use. So definitely a nice addition to this one. We have a nice Furrion sound system in here too, and we can Bluetooth any device right up to it. It has AM, FM, has every sort of input known to man, and then of course you have the ability to choose the inside or outside speakers, and we can control our slide out and power awning right over here. Turn the lights on for the interior or that power awning. But we have the nice big slide out here. That really makes all the difference in the world when we're talking about a smaller, lighter weight travel trailer. So, yep, slide out makes a big difference in here. You can also sit 4 people, and you can also turn it into a bed, which will allow you to bring guests if you wanted to. This one has the larger refrigerator and air conditioner. So this has the 7 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer combo, which is really nice. It'll work on gas or electric. So if you are doing any type of off-the-grid style camping, that ability to switch between gas and electric is going to be a nice addition there as well. In the bathroom here, we have a nice big bathroom. One of the nicer things, if you don't need the bunks, you will get sort of a few nicer things, and this being one of them, a bigger bathroom. We'll have a tub surround here, so water won't get all over the place. And we have a medicine cabinet. We'll have our monitor panel here. We can check all of our different tank levels, turn on our water heater, turn the water pump on, of course the sink. We'll have a little bit of storage down below here. And of course, this is really cool here, this big storage area in the back here for hanging clothes. You could really put just about anything you wanted in here. Very deep, as you can see. So yeah, this whole back area here is all storage. So plenty of room for clothes. This is really sort of your wardrobe area back here. So yeah, really beautiful bathroom. Really nice travel trailer. Gives you a lot of extra room. If it's just two people, maybe you're going to bring someone along every once in a while, this is really the perfect trailer for you. That slide out makes a big difference. Convection microwave is going to be great. Has the bigger fridge and freezer. So if you're looking at a 19-foot travel trailer, absolutely can't beat the 181RB here. So this is your host again, Josh Pankratz. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And for current stock availability,